What's up, gang? It's your boy Rico. We back with another video, man. Today we're gonna be installing the steering wheel. So y'all already know, man. I've had this steering wheel for like almost 2 weeks already, and I have not installed it yet. Why? Because I've been lazy about it. But today, man, finally gonna do it. I installed the red carbon fiber shift knob the other day, and you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys seen the video already. And today I'm gonna be installing the steering wheel, man. I'm so excited, man, because this steering wheel is gonna make the inside, the interior of the car look super dope, man. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna grab everything we need, and then we're gonna head down to the car and start working on them. Let's go. Alright, gang, it is raining outside. Like, I didn't even know it was raining because you can't hear nothing inside the house. But it's raining outside, but we're still gonna continue this video, man, because everything that gotta be done is inside the car, so we don't gotta worry about the rain or nothing like that. The only thing that we do gotta do is the first thing we gotta do is disconnect the battery. But we still gonna go ahead and do it, man. I don't care about the rain. You know what I'm saying? If I get wet, I get wet, whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery right now because this installation gotta be done, man. Cause look how sick this looks, man. You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that shift knob don't look crazy. You know what I mean? Imagine when all this is carbon fiber and it looks like that. You know what I mean? So, you know what I'm saying? By saying that, let's get this done and let's get it started, man. Let's go. Cause the box is just sitting back there. Where's the box? Oh, I think the box is in the back. Wait a minute. Why isn't the box in here? I could have sworn it was in here. But the box should be in the trunk. The rain stopped for a little bit. Look, it's going crazy. But yeah, like let's get the box on the back and install this steering wheel, man, because I've been waiting for it to install it for a while now. So let's go ahead and install this, disconnect this battery, and let's get this steering wheel started. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so look, the battery is disconnected. We're gonna wait like 5 minutes to make sure everything is dead, you know, like the car is dead for completely, because when you're taking this airbag off, you don't want it to pop in your face, and then you're gonna be sick to your stomach. But for now, let me tell you guys 3 things you gotta start off with. You need a screwdriver, right? And then for now you need a screwdriver, right? Next thing you know, you have 3 little stuff you gotta take off to remove the airbags. You got one here. You gotta remove this little clip. It's a clip here. You gotta remove. I've already taken one of them off. Then you got your other one on the other side, which is right there. And then you got one more down here under the steering wheel. It's gonna be right in the middle of the steering wheel. So you got 3. You're gonna start off by taking your airbag off, but make sure, like I said, make sure your car is disconnected from the battery. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes or 5 minutes and make sure that the car is completely dead, because I don't want this to I don't want the airbag to explode in my face in case there's like still like shortage or whatever going through the car. And then there's some clips inside this, or this inside the little holes that you're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, it's like a clip, it's like clips in there that hold the airbags, and you're gonna be pushing the airbag inside with your screwdriver. I'm gonna show you guys when I take the airbag off. Alright, y'all, so we got the airbag out. Like I said, those 3 little holes you're gonna remove the little clips from are for this clips right here. You have clips inside your steering wheel. Those 1, 2. When you put your screwdriver in there, this little clips right here, you will have to push them in so that your steering wheel can come out. You have, like I said, you have 1, 2, and then your 3rd one out here. And then the next step is to remove. You have 1, 2, 3 clips. This right here, you're gonna have to bring it up with your screwdriver. Alright, y'all, one more thing. This little zip tie right here that you see right here, it's like a little zip tie on the side. It's like a white little clip. Then you have the yellow zip tie. You will have to remove that zip tie to be able to take off this the airbag. Alright, guys, now next you have to remove your connections to the steering wheel. So all you gotta do is pop it out and it should come right out. It's 2 cables. comes right out. Alright, so now your steering wheel is free. Next thing you want to do is get your T55 torque. Your T55 for your steering wheel, and start taking your steering wheel off. Now it is gonna be tight, so make sure you guys have like a little cheat bar maybe or something, because it might be tight. So make sure you have your cheat bar. Hopefully y'all can figure something out if it's too tight. If not, you just have to go that way, man. Alright guys, the screw is off. Like I said, it was kind of tight, but you know what I'm saying, I did like a little extension with this and put it at the end of the wrench like this. Or if you already have like a, you know, like a bigger wrench, then you should have no problem with it. Now the steering wheel is you know, it's ready to come out now. Make sure when you're taking the steering wheel off, you hold these cables and push them through the top as you're pushing, as you're bringing the steering wheel out, because you don't want to mess up that the spring inside, and it's gonna be a bug to recalibrate it. But let's go ahead and take the steering wheel off and start replacing things. Alright guys, so we got the stock steering wheel right here. Now we got the red aggressive carbon fiber one over here. What you want to do is take those these screws off. You have two of them, 1, 2, and then after that you should be able to start taking this top off with a flat head. Alright guys, after that we're gonna work on this. We took this off already, like I said, with the flat head, and we're gonna install it over here. But first we're gonna remove this. We're gonna remove this other screws, this one and that one, and then we're gonna push this clip in. We'll just pinch it and push it and push it in to remove your shifts. So I forgot what it's called for a minute, man. Your shift knobs. Okay, so make sure you guys take off the screws and then push this in and then push it down to remove your shift knobs. Alright guys, to remove this, the controls from the stock center console thing, you're gonna have two screws. You're gonna have one here and one under the cable, and you will have to cut this little zip ties again to be able to install it in your carbon fiber one. Alright guys, so like I said, you're gonna take the screws off to install everything back, man. Just do everything vice versa, man, and you will be finished with it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this steering wheel, put it back together, and then we're gonna go ahead, head back downstairs and install it, man. I did get out the car because it started getting a little hot, so came up here, finished it off. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together and head back downstairs and do the finish connecting it, man. So let's get it done. Alright guys, look, so far we're looking good, man. Now we just gotta connect everything and then put your screw in there and your airbag, and then we should be good to go. Guys, look, we have the bolt back together, back in there. All we got left is the airbag. So let's go ahead and install this airbag, do the connections, and do a little test. Alright y'all, this looks super crazy, y'all. Should we do this last final touches? Look, this comes with the steering wheel. Or should we leave it how it is? Hold on, let me try to get it out the bag. So this comes with the steering wheel. Should we keep it matte black, or should we add the? Let me see. Let me try to leave it. It won't stay. Or should we leave this shiny black, man? Look at this. I think I might add a shiny black. I don't know. I like it. Matter of fact, I want you guys to tell me what to do. I want you guys to tell me if I should leave it matte black like this, or if I should put this little aftermarket designer type black on it, man. Comment down below. I want you guys to comment down below, man. Alright, so guys, we about to go plug out the battery, make sure everything works, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Let's go ahead, let's go plug the battery up, and like I said, comment down below if I should add this little pieces to it. I like the way it looks matte black, and then I also like the way it looks with this black on, you know what I mean? So like it's a win-win situation. But since this is matte, it matches this black on the steering wheel, so I don't know. And then after that I might black this out though. So let's go ahead, plug the battery back up, connect it, and make sure everything works good, man. Buttons, all that. Alright guys, like don't forget, I almost forgot, but don't forget to put your little clips back on the sides and the bottom. Alright guys, we're about to start her up. Hopefully no lights pop up, man. Only good lights, you know what I mean? So let's turn her on. Turning good, you know, she's turning good. Okay, let's just play something real quick. Make sure I don't get copyrighted. Alright, we good. Let me see. Make sure all the controls working. Okay. Controls working. Volume. Okay, volume working. Let's make sure the horn working. Okay, horn's working. Let's see, lane control. Lane. Okay, let me see. Let me go out to lane. Down the lane. Okay, we working. Let's see. Mode. Okay. Skip. Alright guys, it is a successful installation, man. I was so scared because when I was taking off the stock steering wheel, I kind of moved the spring. I keep forgetting what you call it, man. If you guys know what it's called, comment down below. But I moved it a little bit and I was like, oh my gosh, bro. Cause but then it turns out like if you move it by accident, like the wheel, when you put the steering wheel back in, it has like a little lock inside the steering wheel that it will fit to its spot. So yeah guys, let's make sure the tires are good. Oh shoot. Let's see. Put it in reverse. It says the steering wheels are straight. I mean the wheels are straight, so let's see. Okay, the wheels are straight. No problem. So the wheels are straight. I was scared. I was like, bro, I thought I put it like straight. So we're good, guys. Let's make sure. Alright, we good. Let's put it back straight. Alright. Make sure this is straight. Okay. We good. But yes, y'all, this is it for this video, man. I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys want to install your steering wheels and you guys don't know how to do it, I just gave you a little tutorial how to do it at no charge, you know what I mean, no charge on how to do it. But like I said guys, just be careful when you're taking it off, because even though it fits right back in the spot, you don't want to mess with it. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see it from like far away. Look how it looks, man. It's so beautiful, man. I want to say thank you to my boy for hooking me up, man. I think his Instagram name is Camry something 5.0, because he had a Mustang. He traded in his Camry for a Mustang. But this is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that it helped. This steering wheel feels so good. I love it, man. I love it. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, because like I said in my last video, a lot of my watchers are not subscribed, man. I could be like in the 3,000 subscribers right now if my watchers subscribe to my channel, man. And you guys are not subscribing, please subscribe to my channel for more lit content on the Camry, on the Jeep, and on more things, man. And like I said, I do got another channel coming in, but that's gonna be for pranks. I will be announcing that name soon, because like I said, I will be doing another channel for pranks and all that stuff. This channel specifically is for car stuff. That's why I changed the name from Champagne Rico to Rico Reviews, because I want it to be specifically about cars and cars only. But if you guys are interested in pranks and stuff, man, make sure you guys comment down below, so pranks can be dropped soon and the channel can be dropped soon, and you guys can go subscribe to it. But thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. Like I said, look at this, man. This setup looks dope. Even though I do not have the red seats, the red interior, which I wish I did have because I got the XSC and I have black interior, but it's whatever. It would have went super dope with the steering wheel, the shift knob, and if I had like I said, the red. Alright guys, like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, follow me on my Instagrams for more lit content, more pictures of the Camry, and like I said, love y'all, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below on videos you guys want to see, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Alright y'all, see you in the next video. Love ya, peace.